the years, there has been huge conversations on growing and investing in the Nigerian agricultural sector. But the question and the confusion usually arises from how to invest, where to farm, what exactly to do. But guess what? I have the answer in 5 syllables: Agropolitan.
Agropolitan basically is taking farming to the city. That's the Agropolitan dream. That we can sit in our posh offices in Lagos, Abuja, London, and wherever, and still be really engaged in what goes on in the process, from clearing of the bush to the chef cutting your cucumbers and serving you for breakfast.
My name is Teresa Ogier, and I work with a telecommunication company as a project manager. For some time, I was looking for where to invest money, particularly put money in an investment that I will be certain that I would get my returns. There will be not so much risk. Put money in an investment where I can be sure of the party that I'm investing with.
My name is Stanley Onamba. I'm a banker. Agropolitan makes farming more interesting. It's a farm that has a swag. If you have the privilege of coming to site like I have done today, you will come to understand that farming is not in the old and archaic way that is being practiced.
In fact, I was impressed when I got the pictures, and then I'm here physically and I can see that the farm is well nurtured.
With Agropolitan, you get specifics. I've been able to learn, even coming to site today again, there's clarity of purpose. You get to understand the duration of harvest, when you're coming for harvest and all that. So in a nutshell, it makes farming quite simple.
We run a really transparent kind of process, such that we tie specific investments to specific locations and to specific amounts of space being cultivated.
Right now we are growing pepper and cucumber. It is barely 6 weeks, so we can see that agric is one of those investments that will bring you your returns in a very short period of time.
But the idea is to be able to build product and a program that is easily replicable, scalable, and sustainable in the long run.
You may be asking yourself, how exactly can I get to be part of this Agropolitan revolution? Well, all you have to do is follow these 4 easy steps. 1. Expression of your interest via the completion and submission of a form. 2. Draft agreement that is signed by prospective investors. 3. Return of the signed draft agreement with evidence of payment. And 4. Official offer letter issued.
Today, I'm here in Ekpe, in Lagos State. Farming has been brought to the city, courtesy of Agropolitan.
Within the little time I've been doing business with them, I've seen integrity, I've seen commitment. They've given me some form of reward. I'll call it a loyalty reward, just for investing.
And as an investor, you can be here on Saturdays to come check out what is going on the site.
Yes, I ran away from agric for so many years, but right now I'm into it and I don't have any regrets. The point is, we are at a stage in business sector that we don't just do what we're passionate about. So even if you're not passionate about agric, you don't like the idea of farming. Some of us don't like the idea of coming to the farm, wearing boots, wearing overall, carrying cutlass and all. You have Agropolitan to help you manage the business for you. You have technicians, you have agronomists, you have farmers that will do all the dirty work for you. So you can just sit back, invest, and get your returns on investment when due.
I believe in this, I know this, I have seen it work. Let's try this. And we tried it. So far, from my investment to this point, we have at least 6 people that have indicated and have participated actively, that we have put the funds to use.
Now we have a company that diligently understands the agricultural value chain, from agronomy to agrobusiness to agroengineering and so much more. Take for instance the drip irrigation. I mean, we're already experiencing climate change in Nigeria, where we've seen little to no rainfall in the month of May. Now imagine not having to actually depend on rainfall to water your crops. That means you can grow your produce all year round.
If you have the time and you want to, purchase a land and you want their technical expertise on it, fine. If you want to play alongside with just investing for passive income, Agropolitan does that for you. So you can actually do an investment with them, and per quarter you get your yields and you get profits on it.
As it is now, my interest in agric is growing. I see myself going fully into it, being actively involved in the business, not just as an investor.
For me, it's the response has been very positive based on the fact that I've kept it within my circle, because I personally believe that with evidence you don't need to talk too much.
At the moment, Agropolitan is accepting minimum investments of 250,000 naira per slot. Now, the minimum investment period is 18 months with a total return of investments of 44%. The combined capital and return of investment is 144% and will be paid at 24% every quarter. The first payment comes 3 months after the official investment date. Note: investors with 10 slots and above earn a higher return on investments of 8.8%. Here at Agropolitan, our investors are referred to as ambassadors and are encouraged to bring in referrals and earn commissions of about 5% on investment and 2.5% of return on investment in 1 year.
The risks in agriculture are just threefold. One, the government wakes up and outlaws agriculture. It has not happened in the past. I don't think it's likely going to happen. Rain does not fall for the next 1 year. Yeah, we'll take care of it with drip irrigation. And the third thing is, I am weak and unable to farm on the farm. I am not doing the work myself. I have hands that are able to make this dream come true. The dream of Agropolitan is to have millions of people participating in farming remotely, semi-remotely and actively, and then being able to provide for themselves.
I'm impressed and I'm happy with what I see so far.
It gives you the ability to be in the city and still commence farming.
Hoping and looking forward to have more people that are thinking in this direction.
So come invest with Agropolitan and let's take care of your money and let's take care of your business.
And now with Agropolitan, I am sure that when I walk into any supermarket, I am getting fresher foods that have been properly handled by professionals.
So the big question is, what are you waiting for?
Will you be part of this revolution? Because what Agropolitan is doing is unlike any that you have ever seen, and you need to tap into it and be part of it.
We have the land, the manpower, the technical know-how, everything. Just one thing missing: your willingness to invest. And if you must invest, invest in Agropolitan.